What's up guys, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the drivetrain oil on your Honda Talon. This one's a 2019 Talon 1000R. The process will be similar for any of these machines, whether it be a 1000R, 1000X, two-seater, four-seater, and it's something that is often overlooked, but you do need to take care of this maintenance item, and you're supposed to do this after break-in and then every 300 hours or 1,800 miles thereafter. So let's get this done. To do this job, we're using the Tusk drivetrain oil change kit. That comes with your choice of oil and the necessary crush washers. We're also going to use some contact cleaner. For tools, we have 17 and 10 millimeter sockets, a 10 millimeter combo wrench, a funnel, ratio right, a drain pan, rags, and some rubber gloves. And lucky us, since we went with the Honda oil, we can use a clear hose with this cap instead of a funnel. Throughout the process, make sure you reference your model-specific service manual. Oh, and don't forget your safety glasses. To start out, you want your machine on level ground. You don't have to raise it up, but we're going to better show the process. Starting at the front of the machine, we'll place a drain pan under the front differential. After that, we'll use our 17 millimeter socket to remove the filler cap, and then the 10 millimeter socket to remove the drain bolt. Once that's done draining, we can go ahead and clean our sealing surface. We're going to reinstall our drain plug with the new crush washer on it and torque it to 9 foot-pounds. Now we're going to fill the front gear case with 395 cc's of oil, but really all you need to know is we're filling this up until the oil hits the bottom of those threads. Now once it's to those threads, let it settle for a minute and then double check it. Top it off if you need to. Wipe off that sealing surface, lube up your O-ring, and torque the cap to 9 foot-pounds. Now for the rear final drive, we'll remove the filler cap, followed by the drain and check bolts. Once all the oil's drained out, we're going to clean the sealing surfaces and then install a new crush washer onto the drain plug and torque it to 9 foot-pounds. Next, you can measure out 115 cc's of oil, or you can fill the spill. Once the oil is coming out that check hole, you want to let it drain out for a few minutes until it completely stops, because the oil level should be right at the bottom of those threads. Next, we'll clean the sealing surface. We're going to install our new crush washer and torque the bolt to 9 foot-pounds. Lube up the O-ring on the filler cap, wipe that sealing surface, and you guessed it, we're going to torque this to 9 foot-pounds. And from here we can wipe down any oil that's on the skid plate. You can also use some of that contact cleaner to help clean it up. And that's it for the drivetrain oil change. This is something that's really simple to do. There's no reason you should be overlooking it. So make sure you get it done. And if you need any maintenance items for your machine, check out our website. We have a lot of different options on there. And also subscribe to our channel. That's where you're going to find other maintenance videos for your Honda Talon. I'm Charles. Thanks for watching.